Gaagiizom.
Take two.
Take two.
With no one scrutinizing me. No cops, no lying witch, no hassle. Y'all are brutalizing me. Can't a man not drink his beer in silence? Can't a man not crudely lie and scream? Can't a man not control his wife with violence?
What?
Y'all are brutalizing me. Y'all are brutalizing me. Y'all are brutalizing me. Okay, everything's okay. Ready for this, sweetie?
Yeah.
Okay, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. BOOZHOO! And today, we've got a really good show. Today's OJIBWE word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? What would be a good OJIBWE word?
Oh, I don't know. What do you think?
How many times do we have to go through this?
What do you mean?
I asked you, what do you think would be a good OJIBWE word of the day? And you had nothing to say. Why would you ask me if I knew? Because if I knew, I wouldn't be asking you now, would I? Acting!
Yeah! We were just acting. I'm not really. How'd I do?
You were great, sweetie. Oh, wow. Kind of made me sad. So now what do you do? So I was a jerk. You know, sweetie. Nimanendam. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm really sorry. Nimanendam. I am sorry. And when you're sorry, you should always Gaagiizom. You should always apologize. Gaagiizom. Nin Gaagiizom. I apologize, sweetie.
Oh, that's okay.
I was in the wrong. And so, will you please forgive me?
I do.
All right. See that? And so, everything is forgiven when you apologize. And, you know who really needs to apologize? Animosh. Did you hear what he did?
What's that?
Animosh joined Antifa. And he's been out there marching in the streets, and he tipped over a police car, and he looted a bunch of jeans from Target, and he wasn't wearing a mask. So, Animosh, would you like to say something to the people here? You know, sir, I really think it's time that I do. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, will you please, I'm going to turn the camera over here to Animosh. And, just take it away, Nietzsche. Yeah, I guess I better get this off my chest. I just want to say, Ni Manendam, I'm sorry. Ni Gaagiizom, I apologize. I got swept away with the Antifa crowd. Me and the boys, we just, I just got so mad. I just got so fed up, boss, of systemic racism, racial inequality. Sometimes, I just get carried away, and I thought, well, the best thing I can do to help my community, to do something about racism, is to set fire to a cop car, flip it over. I threw some bricks into the windows of some businesses, and I spray painted Black Lives Matter. Can you believe that? Spray painted it right on the wall. I thought that would do something. I thought maybe that would change some minds. You know. I thought if I spray painted Black Lives Matter on the wall there, a racist might come by and go, you know what? He makes a good point. I guess black lives do matter after all. I'm going to turn away from my racist ways, you know? I was hoping something like that, but I can see now I was just, maybe I was dreaming, boss. You think so? Yeah, I don't know. So, I quit being an Antifa. I'm no longer, what they call an anti-fascist. I could never quite define what a fascist was. I mean, I know what it was in World War II. But, you know, them boys, they're a bunch of good old boys in the Antifa. They were like, hey, man, we're gonna tear down the patriarchy. You know. I thought, well, yeah, that sounds good to me. I mean, who's going to be against that, right? But sometimes I wonder if maybe we didn't do more harm than good. So I'm out. I'm not in Antifa anymore. I'm no longer affiliated with the Black Lives Matter movement. So I'd like to apologize to everyone who I inflicted violence and mayhem on. You know, it's funny, they just kind of turned a blind eye, too. You know, defund the police. Defund the jails, you know, we didn't even get into trouble for that. It was great. All right, but I'm sorry. I'm truly Nemonandam. And this has been the Ojibwe word of the day. Back to you now, BOOZHOO. Well, you know what? I think you're a big man for owning up to that. That's really good. There you have it. So, you have been watching GOFUNDME, watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, Miigwech. And I want to say thank you to the cast and crew of our little show here. You guys really did good today. And I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa. Hawa. Nicely done, Animosh. Oh, it's just nothing. Not really. You too, sweetie.
Do you really think so?
Oh, yeah. Thanks.
Hey guys, if you'd like to support the show, please give us a thumbs up. And you can click a link in the description if you'd like to sign up on Patreon, support us monthly. We also have a PayPal if you want for a one-time donation. And Michael Lyons has some children's books in the Ojibwe language available on Amazon. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Miigwech, GOFUNDME, BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa, Minowa. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
Heart beat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer, I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid, I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every hour, every step has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Oh, that was beautiful. Michael Lyons.